This short video is about setting up a level 2 project plan in Rev 7.9 with multiple goals. Let's get started. In a level 2 plan, this project uses Rev 7.9 to plan and track progress for multiple goals that go beyond a single product. For example, there may be goals for literacy, scripture use, orthography, or people development, in addition to translation or storing goals. Who should use this level 2 approach? Well, if you run a translation or storing project and you've already mastered level 1, or your project doesn't have a single product focus, and if you don't have stakeholders that require you to report on outcomes at this time, that would be level 3. So if this is true of you, then it's time for level 2, a project with multiple goals. Here's how to set it up. On the plan and progress page, you already have that one goal with product stages for your production goal, translation or storing. We saw that in the level 1 video. Now add other simple goals, one for each of the major areas of work or deliverables of the project. Start by measuring progress for these goals using just narrative. You can add numbers later if you want. Don't worry about outcomes yet. You can add those later when you progress to level 3. Here's a demonstration of how this can look. Here's a project. I've now called it level 2, multiple goals. We're on the plan and progress page, and we've already set up our single product focus goal. That was in the level 1 video. Now we're going to add more goals into the project. Our next goal is going to be for a prayer network. So we're going to add our goal, and we can always edit the name of this goal later. Select the start and end. Select the most appropriate work domain from your organization. We're going to look for a standard objective here. Maybe we look for prayer. There's a prayer initiative there. Or we might just go with partnership ownership by the local church. Select a community. It's already here because we already selected it for that translation goal. We're going to configure the progress tracking, and this time we're just going to have narrative, nothing else, and we're going to save the goal. That's our second goal now. Now we're going to add a goal to do with literacy. We're going to create the stage 1 literacy curriculum, including 20 titles by local authors. And we're going to select the most relevant work domain from our organization. We're going to look here for a standard objective to do with literacy. Select the community. Configure the progress tracking, and we're again just going to take the easiest approach here of narrative and save the goal. Now we're going to add another goal for a dictionary project. So we're going to select the most relevant work domain from our organization. And then under standard objective, we might search here for dictionary, select the community, configure the progress tracking. We're going to stick with narrative and save the goal. That'll do for now. We've added 3 extra goals, and you can see that it's quite easy to add goals. I would encourage you to not add too many goals to start with. The more goals, the harder to track, the harder to report on it. So stick with the most important goals of your project, and you can set them up like this. And then when it comes time for your quarterly report, you'll come to the project reports here. You'll select the quarterly report and then work through the various tabs of the quarterly report. So that's how you set up a level 2 plan, a project with multiple goals. What's next? Well, take at least 1 quarter to become comfortable with using Rev 7.9 to report plans and progress for your multiple goals. Then, when you feel comfortable, go on to level 3. Click in the video on the right to watch the video on level 3, a transformation-oriented project.